Hey there, fellow wanderers. Welcome back to my channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, we are taking a virtual trip to one of the most breathtaking hill stations in India, Ooty. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty and charm of this fascinating destination. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. As we step foot into the enchanting land of Ooty, we are immediately captivated by its stunning landscapes. Surrounded by the majestic Nilgiri Mountains, Ooty boasts picturesque tea plantations, rolling hills, and dense forests that seem straight out of a fairy tale. The cool and pleasant climate adds to the allure, making it an ideal getaway from the scorching heat of the plains. No trip to Ooty is complete without experiencing the famous Nilgiri Mountain Railway, more commonly known as the toy train. Chugging along the hills and valleys, the toy train offers a mesmerizing journey, treating passengers to breathtaking views of the lush greenery and cascading waterfalls. It's a ride that will leave you spellbound and yearning for more. Coming up next, we explore the spectacular botanical gardens in Ooty. Spread across 55 acres of land, this botanical paradise boasts a vast collection of exotic plants and flowers from all around the world. As we stroll through the well-manicured lawns and colorful flower beds, the fragrance of blossoms fills the air, creating a truly enchanting experience. Our adventure takes us to the highest peak in the Nilgiris, the Dodabetta Peak. Standing tall at an elevation of 8,650 feet, this viewpoint offers a panoramic view of the surrounding valleys and plains. As we gaze into the distance, the mist-covered mountains and the tranquility of the place leave us in awe of Mother Nature's wonders. Next on our Ooty itinerary is a visit to the serene Pikara Lake. Nestled amidst lush green meadows and dense forests, this picturesque lake is a haven for nature lovers. Here, you can take a peaceful boat ride on the sparkling waters or simply bask in the tranquil ambience. It's the perfect spot to unwind and reconnect with nature. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the architectural marvel that is St. Stephen's Church. Built in the Gothic style, this colonial-era church stands as a testimony to Ooty's rich history. The intricate stained glass windows, elegant arches, and serene ambience make it a must-visit for those seeking solace and serenity. Last but certainly not least, we cannot miss exploring the iconic tea plantations of Ooty. These emerald green carpets of tea bushes are not only a treat for the eyes, but also a delight for the taste buds. Ooty is renowned for its flavorful and aromatic teas, and the visit to the tea estates offers a unique opportunity to witness the tea-making process and even indulge in a refreshing cuppa. And there you have it, my fellow travelers, a glimpse into the enchanting world of Ooty. From its serene lakes and lush tea gardens to its scenic landscapes and colonial charm, Ooty never fails to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. I hope you enjoyed this virtual journey as much as I did. If you liked this video and want to explore more fascinating destinations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming. Take care.